Hello you guys, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today we'll be eating some catfish. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. Y'all just fried me some catfish. I have a little coleslaw. I'm behind. I'm finna be probably rushing a little bit. I had went and bought my kids beds and they just delivered them. So I didn't know they was gonna come this soon. So y'all see I got the bed frames right here, beds over there, everywhere. So I didn't know they was gonna deliver them today. But he called me, so I told him to come on here. Boom. Already. That's why I was going to get some catfish fillets, but I didn't. I got some coleslaw here too, y'all. That man just came.
Who did?
The man, he did that. You know how to do it?
Oh, no.
The scream.
What the heck?
I know beds everywhere.
Mom, this our beds? This our beds, Mom?
Yeah. I got
said
it.
you do it.
Yeah, he gonna do it. Oh, well, they leave it like that then.
Mom, do you have
Hold my door. Where is it? I got a phone up there. Yeah. No, my fish. Y'all, that's the kids coming in here now. My screen though, the man had to open it, so it's still open. And we gotta figure out how to close it back. Yeah, girl. So, hope y'all doing okay. Hope y'all had a good weekend. No, but y'all know. This head just no good when you eating.
Almost cups.
Why? Y'all think they're ready to touch these beds, but we can't do nothing about it until we get our work. Can't do nothing about the beds yet. So we get our work later on. Man, all these bones. That's why I started to get some fillets. God, that's these kids coming in here. So some of y'all seen in my community post about my cousin. My cousin passed away. I told y'all before my cousin had breast cancer. I talked about her a couple times. I even did those cookies I had, I think 2 weeks ago. Some Lady Gaga pink and green cookies. I dedicated that video to her because her sorority is pink and green. So I've been thinking about her. She know I'm not in Chicago like everybody else, so she called me all the time and let me know how everything going. She called me all the time. Or text me, let me know how everything going, so I won't be left out. And that's a blessing when you live, when all your family lives somewhere, and you live somewhere. They don't leave you out. They let you know, they keep you in the loop of what's going on. And my uncle who raised me, I was living out here when he passed. A couple people in my family passed. I had to go up there with my family. Again, I'm having to go up there. But one day I hope to be closer to them. Even if I'm 30 minutes or an hour away. I don't know if I want to move back in Chicago, but I would like to probably move in a suburb or something. But like times like this, when my cousin was sick, I knew it. I just get a chance to go up there. Like my daughter always in Chicago. She'll go in a minute. My granddaughter up there now. But our roots is there. Everybody in our family is there. I always say all that. And when stuff happen, you gotta go up there. Where it is, my sister got married. We had to go up there. But y'all, my cousin's so sweet. So sweet. She's a sweet girl. And she had been with her husband since we've been in 7th grade. Ever since I've been about 7th grade, that's when we met him. They've been together that long. High school sweethearts. Got those high school sweethearts too. Yep. So I miss my cousin. Yep. Y'all come from a good family. Real good family, y'all. A lot of people say we're a bougie family, but especially my kids. They're like, "My, your family's so bougie," but I don't know. That's just the way it is. I don't know. It's just like that. Everybody in my family, we just act a certain way. We just act a certain way. Yeah, fool. Yep, y'all. That's another reason being out of town. Like, I don't know what's going on. All they gonna do is just tell me today or how to go do it. And I just get on the bus and go down there. That's all I know. Whew. Okay, I gotta get off here because I gotta be somewhere else at a certain time. I'm starting the video late because the man just brought the beds here. So I'm gonna get off here. But y'all pray for me, pray for my family, my cousin. Yeah, everybody's talking about it on Facebook. She was so loved. She was so loved all through the west side of Chicago. That's where we from, west side. So, I'm get off there, y'all. Cool. You gone?
Yeah.
Hey, lady. Then my son going to work. Okay. I love you guys. Everybody say KFC on this video. I love you guys. Have a good day.